guys, this is a big fish. This is a big, oh my goodness. Hey, how's everyone doing today? Welcome to Hoosierback Outdoors. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We would really appreciate it if you'd become a subscriber. Click on the notification bell. That way you get all the notifications, and we would really appreciate it. But first off, what I would like to say is, I mistakenly, time after time, call this fish that I catch a carp. Come to find out later, it's not a carp. It is a Redhorse Sucker, which I'd heard of a guy from Pennsylvania catching these fish before, but I had never caught one myself. So this day was really exciting. I'd caught a fish I'd never caught before, caught a nice 10-pound fish, but I just wanted to let you know what this fish was. It was a case of mistaken identity at the time, but once I got home, I Googled it, looked up a few things, and I found out what it was. So now, I'll send you the video, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Welcome back to another episode of Hoosierback Outdoors. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Stay with us. You will love this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Get ready for some good fishing. Michelle's coming today. She's pulling up right now. We're going to do a little bit of fishing, and we'll see you guys on the water. Oh. Gnats. They want to get all in my face. Look at there. First cast. I don't know. I don't know. Looks like a rock bass. First cast. Some chunky ones in here. Chunky, chunky, chunky.
I don't remember them being chunky like that last time.
I don't either. Well, I don't ever. I mean, in all the times I've fished here, I don't remember them being this chunky. Nice little rock bass. We'll put her back. First cast fish. That's when you know it's going to be a good day. Got him. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. Don't tell me I'm in another fisherman's line again.
Oh my god. You are in that line again.
It's a smallmouth. I'm get him up here close enough. Oh, I don't want to break it. Get him right here. Fishermen, clean up the mess you make in the creek. Because this stuff's what happens. Get caught up in another fisherman's line. It makes a total mess. Let's see if I can get it loose from there. Wow, what a mess. I'll get that in a minute. Nice little smallmouth. Smallmouth bass out of the creek. That was actually fishing on the bottom with a worm. I'll let him go here. Oh my goodness, he hit that right at the bank. I seen him come up and get it. Scared me to death. Wow, I seen him come up and hit that. It's a good looking fish. He's a fat little boy. Wow. Nice fight. This pole right here is getting hit on. See it? This is a big fish. This is a big, oh my goodness. It's a huge fish. It is a huge fish. He's gonna break me off. He's huge. It's a huge carp. It's a huge carp.
Oh, I see it.
Why is my drag not working?
Oh, it's like huge. Are you just gonna wear him out?
I'm gonna try to, yeah. Oh, there we go. Now my drag's working. This is a big fish. And he's in that current too. That don't help anything. Get in here, get in here, get in here. That's a carp. I think this is a big fish. Come on, boy. Wear yourself out. Oh.
At least it's getting closer.
I do not want him to break off.
I wish you had a net, babe.
I know. Every time he sees us, he's going to make a run until he gets wore out.
What is that?
Not flop. No, don't. Yeah, look at that.
What is it?
That is a big fish. Wow.
Do you know what it is?
It's a carp. It's a big, big fish. Don't flop.
How much do you think it weighs?
Probably about 10 pounds. Let's get that hook out of you. No, don't flop. Let's get the hook out of you. Okay. Let's put you back, big boy. Wow. Let's put you back. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the fight. That was a lot of fun. Go. Wow. All right, folks, I think that'll do it for today. We appreciate you coming along. Why don't you come by next time? And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Become a subscriber. Become a part of the Hoosierback family. We would really appreciate it. We'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors.